I'm about to prepare going home to Denmark, and therefore I need to put all my bonsai trees underneath the watering system like I did the last time, and yeah, test if it's working. And I got to make some upgrades because these tomatoes need water, and the ones all the way down the back also needs water. So I want to make some channels with some more bamboo and some like these, but smaller to support it, so it has the correct level for it to water it all the way down to the back of the garden. Yeah, so it's just me moving around a lot of plants and setting my watering system, preparing to go on vacation back home in Denmark. Just want to give them some fertilizer before I go, so I know the next 2 weeks that'll be fine. Because they need a lot during summer, these bonsai trees. And plants in general, if they are in pots. Fella, little Mr. B's just catching a little bit of water. Apparently mouse is very good to drink from. Now I need to test the watering system. I don't know if the direction of the water or how the angle is on the watering system, if it has changed since I used it last time. So I need to figure out where there's excess water running out and where I need to attach these rails, which are going to go to the tomatoes and the tomatoes in the back. That's the only thing this time I have outside, which are not under the actual watering pergola. So a little less work there, but I need to make a long piece of bamboo going all the way down here to the last tomato. So I'm gonna turn it on, see how it goes. Now I just gotta make miniature tripods for the first bamboo tube to lie upon, and then I can extend it from that tripod. But I gotta make them first. It is working, but it's not working well. Can't wait any longer. I want to test it now. See if it's working. All these extra channels. The excess water keeps dripping out of a new place. So now I've just made the decision that I'm gonna put these water rails on every single one of them, so I don't lose any water. And all of that water goes to the tomatoes. Now I want to test it. This was okay, but not perfect yet. There's a hole down here that I need to make bigger so all the water doesn't drip off, and these ones are not getting any water almost, so that means the tomatoes here doesn't get any water. So I think I'll try to lower this side of the watering system pergola, see if that works. I just wanted to film how my automatic irrigation system is working. I made some adjustments and made it better, and I just want to show you how it works now. Turned it on. When we go on, follow the watering hose, goes to the highest point of the irrigation system pergola, and then it creates this artificial rain above my bonsai trees. We go a bit further. I made this addition because a lot of water was running off out here, so I have this extra rail providing these tomatoes with water because they didn't get as much as the ones over here. I have these rails running all the way to the back, so this tomato also gets water. And thank you for watching my little improvement video of my irrigation pergola system. I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It would help a lot here in my Italian dream. Thank you for watching. Hope it's useful.